Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Usha Mandal and you're going to see more of dentistry, lifestyle, vlogs, cooking and gardening videos in my channel. So please subscribe. Yes, you need to subscribe. I have been on YouTube for more than a year now and I do not have enough subscribers. I have enough videos, obviously I have more than 100 videos on my channel, but not enough subscribers. So please go and subscribe and then hit the like button for this video. I had been off the camera for quite a long time due to some personal reasons. So let's not talk about that. Today's video is all about a review video about a very popular product which I know you must be using or you may be going to buy the product and you want to know about the product. Is it going to work for you or is it not going to work for you? Today's video is about the Good Vibes Orange Gel. I know you have read and seen my thumbnail, but still I need to introduce my product. So first of all, let me tell you what is a gel and what is a cream. Why do we use gel and why do we use cream? Gel, those people use who have a very oily skin or acne prone skin. Because if they use a cream or a moisturizer that is oil based, it will add on more oil to their skin and make it more oily and more acne prone. But if you use a gel which is water based, that is not going to happen. Your skin will be getting the nourishment, will be getting the hydration and it is going to glow. So that is the reason gel is used. And many of you use aloe vera gels. That is the most common gel which is used in India. So aloe vera gel does not have a very soothing smell and many of you are bored of using the aloe vera gel. For them, this is a very refreshing alternative which Good Vibes has introduced to us. Now let's come to the packaging of this product. This is a 100-gram plastic container, as you can see. So this is plastic and that is the reason it is very handy. You can just carry it around in your bag. It's not glass and it has a very shiny golden cap which is very sleek. Yeah, the packaging is sleek. And it has a dual cap. So this dual cap is leakage proof, so it does not just get on in your purse. So the color of the product is light yellow. As you can see, it's gel, consistency is gel and the color is light yellow. The price of this product is written as 215 on the container, but you will get it in decent discounts in purplle.com. Yes, Good Vibes products are only available on purplle.com. So this product is manufactured in 2020 and it's going to expire in 2022. That's enough. 2 years are enough to finish off a gel, I think. Smell. This has a really refreshing fragrance of orange. I just love the fragrance of this orange gel. It's so refreshing, and if you apply it after you come home from work, I know many of you are doing work from home, but that is tiring too. So you can just apply it on your eyes, on your eyelids, and it's going to refresh you like hell. I mean, it's so refreshing. I just love it. This really has some good ingredients which are organic. Now this has orange. Orange is citrus fruit. It has vitamin C and antioxidants which is going to repair your skin, and so that is also a very good positive point. It will just repair your skin and help it to repair back to the original skin, and it will just give you a refreshing look also. Now let's come to the very important question of this video. When and how do we use this orange gel? I will tell you how I use this orange gel. I have a combination skin type. I do not have major acne or pimple breakouts, but I have a oily skin in summer. That is very disgusting. I mean, yes, that oily skin is very irritating to control, and so I need a product which will not make my skin oily and also give my skin a refreshing look and also nourish my skin. That is very important. I use face wash twice or thrice a day because I have an oily skin, so I need to wash off the oil and dirt. So after using too much of face wash, even my skin becomes dry, which is again a problem. So I need a product which will not make that, and I have this orange gel which I use at least 2 to 3 times in a day. I use it after I come out of the shower. I use it as a base for my makeup. Even I use it as a base under my sunscreen. Yeah, I use it under my sunscreen too. It just gives my skin a very refreshing burst of orange, and it just nourishes my skin, hydrates my skin, and does not make it oily. Okay, I will just show you by applying it on my skin. I do not have any makeup on my skin, so I will show you how to apply it on your skin. So let's apply the product on. Just take a bit of the product on your finger and just put it on your skin, as you can see. I'm just applying it randomly. I give a few seconds to set this in, and then you can see the glow on my face. So after a few seconds, this has set in, no stickiness on my skin and nothing, but you can see the glow I have on my face, which is without any setting spray or anything. It's just the orange gel. So you can understand how glowing my skin has become. So this is a really very good product for any skin type. I mean, that is a very big boon, because a product that suits all skin types, I mean, that's really nice. So I highly recommend this product. You can just buy it without any second thought. You can use it and it will do you good, I know. I am using Good Vibes Orange Gel for over a year now, and it has been helpful for me. And I'm sure if you have any major breakouts or acne, it will help you too. So do use it and tell me in the comment section how it was. Please also like this video and also go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the full video. Bye bye.